That's probably one of the million six right there.
Yep, one of the big boys.
Oh, look at that.
Well, we just finished at dinner. We went to 21 Main. Wonderful steakhouse, steak and seafood. Delicious. Ooh, come back in the shade just a little bit. And we're stuffed. So we are walking along the street between, oh, it's like this, the townhouse neighborhood. Here, I'll show you around. Townhouse neighborhood and the resort. So if you follow this little road here, this is all resort property. And then that's the resort towers right there. So really cool little walk. So we thought we would just kind of walk off some of those calories. Turtle cheesecake is amazing. It's amazing.
We're walking back to the resort, and I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful properties here along North Beach Boulevard. They're just gorgeous. This one's got a little attached mother-in-law suite. Beautiful veranda. That one's probably in the 1.6 million range. The landscaping is just amazing. Just gorgeous. Oh, more beautiful women.
You got palm trees, you got beautiful shrubberies.
These are other side of the street here. We got some cul-de-sacs and just some more beautiful homes. Everything is so well kept. Just fantastic. What's that?
That one's 3-story house.
Oh yeah, 3-story. Coming up on the bridge that actually takes you over the tidewaters and to the resort island, I guess you would call it.
Well, we are gonna go out exploring here. We just got some groceries delivered, and we got groceries delivered, got it put away, so we're gonna go grab a glass of wine and meet the kids out at the pool with some pizza. So that should be fun. All There's a little lagoon next to us, little inlet. Here we are. So you come down out of the tower. There's the doors that you come out, and there's kind of this little turret here. So you've got the Jasmine Tower over there. Pool and such are over here, which I think is where we're headed. Sounds like we have to go to level 3 for the cafe and bar. So that's where we're headed. Happy to be on vacation?
I am. It was a fairly pleasant trip to get here.
It was.
A little rainy, but that's okay.
A little rainy,
Sunday,
yes.
It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow.
The good day to have rain is on the drive down. Going up. All right, here we go. There are sales offices around, of course. It's a point system. Sales agent on duty. There's the little cafe. You get your quick bites. You get your pizza. New York style pizza, 10-inch hero, salads, wings and things. So, very cool. So down this hallway you cross into the other tower, the Jasmine Tower. But this is the little cafe, I think. The other side of the cafe. You can sit down and get cocktails here. There's a bar that you can walk up to. At North Beach Resort, and I'm gonna show you our room right now. We're in the tower, Indigo Tower, room 706. There we go, 706. This is the hallways, and then the hallways have little windows overlooking the parking lot and parking garage. Ooh, it's so heavy. Thank you.
Do it.
Thank you. So as you come in, you have one bedroom here. Bedroom and bath, actually. So you have a little pantry closet there for towels and such. And then one bathroom here. Let me pop on the lights. There we go. So I've already set out our toiletries. And there's the shower. Good size shower, I guess kind of standard. Shower head. Not huge. I'm sure it will be more than adequate. There we go. Bed's king size bed. There's a window, but this window actually overlooks the hallway out there, so it's kind of weird. But again, we've already put away our things, so there is that closet. I've got a little hamper back there. There's a luggage rack too. And then you have a little nightstand on this side. There's a ceiling fan. I'm hoping that works. I need the wind, the air to move when I sleep. So let's take a look here. Kiddos have already set up in here. It's a 3-room suite. Each of the rooms has a bathroom. This room is not an ensuite. It does have a small closet. That one is locked. Don't know what's in it. That's a fairly small closet there. I don't think there's a light in there actually. So there you go. This second bathroom is here. Shower's about the same. Sink. I haven't seen a blow dryer yet, although I would be surprised if there wasn't one. There's a blow dryer diffuser. I gotta think that there's a blow dryer in here. There's a food pantry closet. There's a regular iron. There is a Keurig down there. And it's a full-size kitchen. You have washer dryer here. Ooh, there we go. Washer dryer there, so that's very handy to have. I appreciate that. Regular refrigerator. You've got some small appliances. There, we brought our own coffee maker, so we've tucked that one in the corner. But there definitely are some dishes and such here, glasses, wine glasses up there, coffee, plates, bowls. There are some pots and pans down here, skillets, and then this is the kitchen. Show you the master bedroom as well. Okay, so good sized closet in here. Somewhat unpacked here as well. Maybe the blow dryer's in here. Okay, there is a blow dryer in here. There's the blow dryer. And they've got the walk-in shower, jetted bathtub, very nice. Nightstands. I think this is a king bed in here. I don't know, maybe a queen. Balcony, of course. Take a quick look. Hopefully I don't fog up too much. It's a little foggy. I think I'm okay. Okay, this is the view from the balcony. It's a cloudy day coming down today, but I'm sure tomorrow will be better. And it was okay that we were in the car all day anyway, so.
Someone lost their wristband.
Uh-oh, someone lost their wristband.
Good morning from the North Beach Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Gorgeous day.
There's only one.
Yeah, we're gonna get out there early this morning, I think, and
Yeah, we're gonna hit the beach first,
hit the beach first after breakfast.
and then we'll come back. They've got the crews down, taking care of business at all the pools.
Yeah,
Getting them cleaned up and ready.
chlorinated and ready.